Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We have already finished revising NCERT biology twice, chapter wise, and this is the third time revision where we are going on unit wise, and the unit for today is there on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the MCQ session for today. Question number 1. Which of the following cut the DNA from specific places? E. coli restriction endonuclease 2, ligase, exonuclease, alkaline phosphatase. Which of the following cut the DNA from specific places? The correct answer is option A, E. coli restriction endonucleases. Question 2. The carrier of hereditary material are chromosomes, genes, gametes, or gametocutes. The carrier of hereditary materials are. The correct answer is option A, that is chromosomes. Chromosomes carry the hereditary material. Question 3. Agrobacterium tumefaciens used in genetic engineering for. Option A, DNA mapping. Option B, DNA modification. Option C, as a vector DNA, or option D, DNA fingerprinting. The correct answer is option C, vector DNA. Question number 4. The DNA molecule to which the gene of interest is integrated for cloning is called as carrier, transformer, vector, or option D, none of these. DNA molecule to which gene of interest is integrated for cloning. Correct answer is it is called as option C, vector. Question number 5. First cloned animal. Dolly the sheep, dog, mule, or cat. First animal which was cloned. Correct answer is option A, Dolly sheep. Question 6. Technique for production of monoclonal antibodies was initially developed by. Option A, Stewart Cook. Option B, Lister and Koch. Option C, Herber and Haberland. Option D, Kohler and Milstein. Technique of production of monoclonal antibodies was initially developed by. The correct answer is option D, that is Kohler and Milstein. This technique of production of monoclonal antibodies is also known as, yes, hybridoma technology. Question 7. Hybridoma technology has been successfully used in option A, production of somatic hybrids. Option B, synthesis of mechanical antibodies. Option C, synthesis of hemoglobin, or option D, production of alcohol in bulk. Hybridoma technology has been successfully used in. The correct answer is option B, that is synthesis of antibodies, right? Hybridoma technology is used for synthesis of monoclonal antibodies. Question number 8. In order to produce virus-free plant through tissue culture, the best method is meristem culture, protoplast culture, anther culture, or embryo rescue. In order to produce virus-free plants from tissue culture, the best method is. The correct answer is option A, meristem culture. Why so? Because meristem is a continuously dividing tissue, so the new cells are kept producing over there, and these new cells are free of virus. So if you carry out a meristem culture, new cells would be used which do not contain virus, and the plant thus produced would be virus-free. Question 9. Name the drug used in cancer treatment produced using biotechnology. Option A, terramycin. Option B, HGH, that is human growth hormone. Option C, that is TSH, or option D, that is interferon. Name the drug used in cancer treatment produced using biotechnology. The correct answer is option D, that is interferons are used to treat cancer, and these are produced using the biotechnological processes. Question 10. Cultivation of BT cotton is much in news nowadays. What does the prefix Bt means? I guess I've already answered this question. Anyways, option A, barium treated cotton seed. Option B, bigger thread variety of cotton with better tensile strength. Or option C, produced by biotechnology using restriction enzymes and ligases. Or option B, carrying an endotoxin gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. What does the Bt in Bt cotton stands for? The correct answer is option D, Bacillus thuringiensis. It refers to that the Bt cotton has a gene which has been derived from Bacillus thuringiensis, and this gene codes for an endotoxin. Question number 11. Restriction endonuclease was discovered by Michelson, Cohen, Erber, Watson. Which of the following scientists discovered restriction endonuclease enzyme? Correct answer is option C, Erber. Question number 12. Vector used in production of pest-resistant plants by the process of RNA interference is option A, bacteriophage vector, option B, agrobacterium vector, option C, yeast cell vector, or option D, mycoplasmal vector. Vector used in production of pest-resistant plants by the process of RNA interference is. The correct answer is option B, that is agrobacterium vector. Question number 13. DNA fingerprinting refers to techniques used for identification of fingerprints of individual, molecular analysis of profiles of DNA of different individuals, analysis of DNA sample using imperative techniques, or option D, technique used for molecular analysis of different samples of DNA. The correct answer is option B. It is the molecular analysis of profile of DNA of different individuals. Question number 14. Restriction enzymes capable of making internal cuts in a DNA molecule is called restriction exonuclease, restriction endonuclease, both A and B, or option D, S1 nuclease. Internal cuts in a DNA molecule is made by which restriction enzyme? The correct answer is option B, restriction endonucleases. Question number 15. Artificial synthesis of DNA without any template was first done by Khorana, Geer, Michelson, Watson, who artificially synthesized DNA without any template. The correct answer is option A, Khorana. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very channel, this very time, with another set of 15 MCQs from the next unit of NCERT Biology. I hope you're finding these videos helpful in your daily preparation for the coming NEET exam. They will surely help you in gaining confidence for the coming NEET exam. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.